Hey everybody, welcome back to Sharon's Nail Boutique here on YouTube. I am so excited. We have 955 subbies. Yay! Welcome to all my new subbies. Thank you to all the existing subbies for still showing me all your love and support, guys. Don't forget to smash that like button at the end of this video. I've left some pics at the end. Today we're using Sxc Butterfly Edition Polygel Kit. And as you can see, we have with High Shine Top Gloss and without. Of course, with this kit, you get the matte top coat, the regular top coat, which is a no wipe, and you get their base coat. You get a pack of stickers. You get a 12 container pack of butterfly glitters. You get 10 of their shades of butterfly, like the see-through polygel shades. I'm doing my left hand here. This little egg thing I got in the Beetles Full Well Tip kit. I'm gonna be reviewing that kit with you guys as well. I'm just quickly going over these nails with the Sxc Base Coat. And the first color we're using is Angelina, I believe. Yes, and this is the see-through pink one. I love how these colors just at the end, they look so good. And I did the pink, orange, yellow, green, blue. So I was trying to go in, order with the rainbow colors and stuff. So Polygel is one of the most amazing products I've ever used. And the reason I like it so much is because it gives you the best of both worlds. And you literally have forever and a day, however long you want to take to manipulate this and get it perfect. That's how much time you have. And there's just nothing better than that. You know what I mean? Like, there's just nothing better than being able to push and pull and pat your product into place without having to worry about it drying too quickly or not quickly enough. As soon as you got that into its best shape, you put that right in the lamp and you're good to go. So before I do that though, I actually go in with the glitters that I want to use and then I'll cure it. So I'm going in with the iridescent multi-mix and then I go in with the pearlescent multi-mix in a similar color. Gorgeous. So I use the iridescent as the base underneath and then I come in with the pearlescent pieces on top. I just love the effect that this gave because it is basically like glass tip because they're jelly colors basically. This color here is, let's see what exact color that was. That's like the orangey yellow color. I also have a 6-pack of Beetles gel polishes I'm gonna be reviewing for you guys soon as well. So that orangey yellow color is so pretty. I love how easy it was to maneuver. Okay, so I believe that one maybe Helena. Maybe Helena. Well, anyways, there's Helena, Yasmina, Serena, Fiona, Anna, Ariana, Angelina, Vienna, Valentina, and Evelina. Those are the names of all the colors, and I love that Sxc gives like actual names for their products. I really like that. So I'm going in with my coral iridescent multi-mix, and then I go in with the coral pearlescent multi-mix, and you just want to make sure that these are like, because sometimes the pieces like stick together, so they'll be clumpy. You just want to make sure that they're pulled apart and stuff like that. If not, just kind of remove it from the nail. Yeah, so I have a lot in store for you guys, a lot in the works. I have so much stuff that I have to get up for you guys. Like I said, I have a new Beetles gel polish kit that I just got in. I believe this one is one of the Valentine's kits. Got a great deal on it. I think I picked it up for like $5-6, something like that. So yeah, moving on to the middle nail. This is the yellow one now that we're working on. It's so pretty. So I just try to perfect the cuticle area first, patting and pushing up into that cuticle area, in and around that area, and pulling the rest of the product down into shape. And then I go in with my iridescent yellow multi-mix, and whatever pattern you see fit. I kind of just did whichever on every finger. I kind of did a little something different. You know, I wanted the glitters to just look different. Like this one in particular, I was trying to get it to look like it was like kind of fading down from the top. And then I'll come in with the pearlescent multi-mix ones. And after everything's all said and done, we encapsulate these nails using the same Polygel jelly colors that we use to create our base there. So pretty. I love these glitters. They came out so good. And the next one's gonna be the green one, and I believe that is the name. It may very well be Evelina. Pretty sure it is Evelina, the green one. I love Sxc's products. Their polygels, the consistency is just on point. I'm actually debating on picking up their pink series one that's on sale right now for $25.99. I also want to try like other brands for you guys just to see what's out there. I'm thinking of getting the Vrenmal and Savalan. Let me know what you ladies and gents think about those products, and if you'd like to see me review those on here. Probably thinking of getting Burano's temperature changing glow in the dark one, because I haven't done that one yet, and Burano is a really popular brand right now, so I'm thinking maybe we'll do that. Maybe I'll pick up the Burano kit and the Sxc's pink series one. But let me know what you guys think about it in the comments below, and I will get those up for you guys as soon as I possibly can. So now we're just coming in now with those pearlescent green multi-mix glitters. So pretty. I love how these came out. They look really good. And these tips are from Unagella. I will leave the link in the description index as always. And these are just the regular pre-pinched coffin tips. They're not the extra long ones. However, same material, same pinched look. All I had to do was clip off the ends of these. I didn't have to shape them or anything like that. Any extra shaping or filing or... Nope, I just had to come in on the sides just a tiny bit, and that was it. And then, you know, straighten the free edge. But this is our last finger now. This is that blue see-through color, which is drop dead gorgeous. And this color, I'm not sure exactly. It might be the Ariana one. But yeah, these colors, aren't they just life? I love blue. Blue is my favorite color. And I'm going to be going in with that blue glitter there, the multi-mix iridescent. And then I'll come in with the gorgeous blue pearlescent multi-mix. Just making sure that I am perfecting those side walls and everything is laid the way it should be. Nothing's touching the skin. And it's crazy because later on in the night after I did this set, I ended up having to come downstairs at like 2 in the morning because it like woke me up out of my sleep. I'm not sure if any of you, I'm sure actually you probably have in the past. If you've ever gotten polygel or like UV gel on the skin and it's like up on the cuticle, that's a problem. It'll actually cause pain and discomfort. I actually woke up out of my sleep with a burning sensation because it was digging into my cuticle skin, like the sharpness of it, because the way it's set up, you know, if it's touching the skin, it'll create like this big like ledge, and it'll be like digging into your back cuticle skin area. So yeah, even though I thought, like, just by looking at it, I assumed that it wasn't touching the skin. I thought I did a good job at, you know, removing it and pulling it away, but apparently, you know, I let it kind of sit for too long before I put it in the lamp. So yeah, just keep that in mind, guys. When you're sitting and you haven't cured your nail yet or whatever, be mindful of that before you put it in, because it may have flown into the cuticle area before you put it. Because if it's sitting and warming up, sometimes sometimes they'll level out and it'll spill into the cuticle area. So just be mindful of that, guys and gals. And I really hope that you guys all enjoyed watching this set. I really had a lot of fun creating this one for you guys. I hope that you enjoyed my semi-review of Sxc's Butterfly Polygel Kit. Now, I was debating on putting in the video for you guys basically all the stuff that came with it, but I just decided to do pictures at the end for you guys. I hope that you all like them, and if you're new here and haven't subscribed yet, please, what are you waiting for? Smash that sub button, because at 1,000 subbies, we are doing such a huge giveaway, and I can't wait to see you all there. I hope you all enjoy the rest. Don't forget to check out the pictures. I love you all so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.